How to keep your saved records. First, log in your library account in Discover at HKSYU. Now, click on the Sign In button on the top right-hand corner. Then type in your barcode number, which is at the back of your student ID card or staff card, and your PIN to log in your account. Next, click on the Nail button on the top right-hand corner to access My Favorites. Then select all the items and click on the Overflow button. Then Export to Excel. Select the Excel file type, then download and view the file. Another method is that you can export the records to your email. Type your own email here. Then type your email title here, which will be sent to your email. Verify the reCAPTCHA and click Send. Then check your email. You will see the saved records here. Thanks for watching the video.